Welcome to MarineMax Pompano. This is Jose Rementeria, about to walk through this 2019 Boston Whaler 27 Vantage. If you notice here, we got the new Mercury 8-cylinder motors, the 250s. Amazing motors, lots of torque, lots of mid-range and great fuel economy. As you can see, the boat's equipped with the fishing package. We got the aft rod holders here, along with the tow rails and the livewell, which I'll show you later. You walk in, you got an expansive cockpit here. Great for fishing, diving, lots of stuff that you guys can do on the boat. And then obviously she converts into a great cruiser with this large back bench. Nice, easily deployed. You have your summer kitchen here, kind of with a refrigerator sink area. As you can see, I'm under this awesome hardtop here. It is colored gel coat like the rest of the hull there in that light blue. Gives you an amazing amount of shade for you and your guests. We have our nice companion seating here, which flips down into a nice lounge area. As you can see at our helm here, really nicely displayed, all your toggles right there at the helm. You have your Fusion stereo, VHF radio, your Mercury diagnostics, and your GPS. The boat is amazingly equipped. It's here at Pompano MarineMax. You can give me a call. My number is 954-732-1538. Come on down to MarineMax Pompano and check out this amazing 27 Vantage.